Shiny there. What you got, buddy? What is it? Woo-wee. Yeah. That's a far. Yeah. Trying to center the refractory of my furnace. Yes. Got the blower on it. Got some charcoal on the bottom, about 6 inches of charcoal. And I got a log about 10 inches around and about maybe 15 inches long. Nice heavy log. Cut about 2 months ago from the tree in the front yard. And I'm just going to let that fire burn its butt off until it's done, and then see how it hardened the refractory, or if it crumbled the refractory, or what. So far it's been cooking all week. I guess since maybe Tuesday, and it's Friday now. It's been cooking on a low propane flame. Propane bottles right there. I've used one bottle. And I've kept it running all week. But it's been warmed pretty good. What you see right now is the form that was originally in there. It's a hexagon shape. I think I put 15-degree angles on all those boards. 8 of them, and I stapled them all together with like a furniture nail gun. Made an awesome hexagon shape, or I'm sorry, octagon shape. And then I was able to